Welcome to the world of presentation creation. If you are new to creating presentations or looking to improve your skills, this lesson is for you. In this lesson, we will introduce you to a GUI-based tool that makes creating presentations easy and fun. You'll learn how to navigate the interface, create slides with text and images, and add effects and transitions to make your presentation stand out. By the end of this lesson, you will have the basic skills needed to create a professional-looking presentation. Let's get started. What is a presentation? A presentation is a visual aid used to convey information to an audience. It is often used in business and academic settings to communicate ideas, proposals, and reports. Why create a presentation? Presentations are used to inform, persuade, and entertain an audience. They can help you to communicate information clearly and effectively, engage your audience, provide visual aids to support your message, make complex ideas easier to understand. What are GUI-based tools? A GUI-based tool is a software application that uses a graphical user interface to interact with the user. This means you can create presentations by dragging and dropping elements onto a canvas rather than having to write code. Advantages of GUI-based tools. GUI-based tools have several advantages over text-based editors, including no coding experience required, easy to use and learn, ability to create visually appealing presentations quickly, built-in templates and design elements. GUI-based tools are perfect for those who want to create presentations without having to learn a lot of technical skills. However, it's important to remember that they are not a replacement for good content and design. Exploring the interface. In this section, we will introduce the basic parts of the interface of the GUI-based tools for creating presentations. The ribbon. The ribbon is the horizontal bar at the top of the window. It contains tabs which are organized by task, and each tab contains groups of commands. The taskbar. The taskbar is located on the left side of the window. It contains the thumbnail images of the slides in the presentation. Slide view. Slide view is the main workspace where you create and edit slides. It displays the slide you are working on and provides tools for adding and formatting text, images, and other content. The Home tab. The Home tab is where you can find the most used commands for formatting text, changing the layout of slides, and adding media. The Insert tab. The Insert tab is where you can find commands for adding various types of media to your slides, such as pictures, videos, and audio. The Design tab. The Design tab is where you can find commands for changing the overall look and feel of your presentation, such as the theme, background, and color scheme. Creating slides with text and images. In this section, we will go over the basic steps of creating a slide with both text and images. Step 1. Creating a slide. To create a slide, click on the New Slide button in the toolbar. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+M to create a new slide. Step 2. Adding text. To add text to a slide, click on the text box button in the toolbar and then click on the slide where you want to add the text. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+T to add a text box. Type in your text and use the formatting options in the toolbar to adjust the font, size, and color. Step 3. Inserting images. To insert an image, click on the Insert Image button in the toolbar. You can then choose to insert an image from your computer, from a URL, or from the program's built-in image library. Once you have selected your image, you can adjust its size and position on the slide. Here are some tips for enhancing the visual appeal of your slide. Use high-quality images that are relevant to your content. Keep the text brief and to the point. Use a consistent color scheme and font throughout your presentation. Use bullet points or numbered lists to break up the text. Use animations and transitions sparingly. Remember that the purpose of your presentation is to communicate information to your audience. The visual aids you use should enhance your message, not distract from it. With these basic steps and best practices, you can create a professional-looking presentation that effectively communicates your message to your audience. Adding effects and transitions. Effects, transitions, and animations can make your presentation more engaging and visually appealing. However, it's important to use them sparingly and effectively. The importance of effects and transitions. Effects and transitions can help you to emphasize key points, keep the audience engaged, provide visual interest, make the presentation more memorable. The best practices for using effects and transitions. Use effects and transitions sparingly. Choose effects and transitions that are appropriate for the content. Avoid using too many different effects and transitions. Keep the effects and transitions simple and subtle. The overuse of effects and transitions can be distracting and annoying to the audience. It can also make the presentation look unprofessional. Choose effects and transitions that are appropriate for the content. For example, a fun and playful presentation may benefit from more lively effects and transitions, while a serious presentation may require more subtle effects. Animations can be used to add movement and interactivity to a presentation. They can be used to highlight important points, show relationships between ideas, keep the audience engaged. Use animations sparingly. Choose animations that are appropriate for the content. Avoid using too many different animations. Keep the animations simple and subtle. Thank you. That brings us to the end of our lesson.